everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I am bringing you guys back to my Walgreens haul. Now, I'll definitely be doing a 1, maybe a 2, and a 3 haul this week because the store I went to only limited me to all laundry detergents, which I'm fine with. You know, I'm not going to fight it. If the store only lets you do 1, then that's fine. They said somebody tried buying like 30 bottles earlier this morning. I think that's a little ridiculous. I don't like, I mean, I do buy sometimes a lot of stuff on hand, but I don't like buy everything out. So I will be going back. I'm probably going to make a different stops. Now, I tried using that $2 off coupon for the all, and it did not let me do it. I bought it on the pods, and it said it would not let me do it. I even had a filler item. So if you guys do that and you get it to work, let me know what you guys do. I don't know if it's going to work, and if it doesn't, it doesn't, but I am super excited to share with you guys what I got. So you guys should be all getting all wasted. So I got the all laundry detergent. Now, I'm going to give you guys a heads up. This transaction I had a problem with. Somehow I get an employee discount. My employee discount did not get factored in when I did this, and I didn't realize it until I got home. So the breakdowns I'm giving you guys are just your normal breakdowns, but the people who do follow my video, I'm not doing the employee discount in this breakdown. I just did it all with normally. So I'm sorry, but when you guys watch my second haul, I will have the employee discount in the breakdowns, but it's just, I have stuff to do today, and this takes me an hour just to type up the stuff. So, just giving you guys a heads up. So these were $1.99. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that was on coupons.com. You guys would just get these for 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. Like I said, I'm going to try to get all wasted. So I got the Radiant and then the Stain Lift. So yeah, and I'm sorry I'm losing my voice a little bit, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. I ended up getting the Lindsay olives. Now, I always get the black olives, and I'm like, why not change it to something different? So these are the Manzanilla olives. I thought these are pretty cool if I want to cut them up and put them on pizza or something. So these are 2 for $2. You guys want to use that $1 off of 2 coupon that you guys can sign up for Lindsay. And you guys would get these for just, I'm sorry, I'm just looking at the dates. You guys would just get these for 50 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. So, and they're canned goods and they don't expire for like years. Now I have the hiccups. Okay, now we're dumping all the makeup out because I went crazy over makeup. Yeah. Okay. So, let's dig in. I ended up getting the Mitchum deodorant, and I only had 1 coupon, and I'll probably get more. But this is $1 or $2.99. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon. Plus, you guys get a $1 register, or you guys will get a $1 registry reward, which I left upstairs. So you guys would just get this for 99 cents. So that's a pretty okay deal for deodorant. I mean, if you guys are brand loyal, I think 99 cents for deodorant is awesome. I have yet to use this. I keep using Secret, but I should probably try something like this sometime, but I have to get rid of my older stuff before I use the newer stuff. I ended up getting the Rimmel Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. Now, I think this was on sale for $2.87 because all Rimmel right now is 40% off. So $2.87. I didn't pay with any coupons, but I did use the Walgreens booklet for $2 off. So you guys would just get this for 87 cents, which could be a decent deal. It's something different to try than the Almay stuff, so had to do that deal. Oh, this is open. I didn't know this was open. I don't know. It's sealed. I'm sorry, this is just open. I don't know. I thought it wasn't, maybe it opened in the box because it wasn't open when I grabbed it off the package. But anyways, I got the Brow Shake. And then I got the brow this way and a different brow this way. So one of these was $2.75 and the other one was $2.87. So after that $2 off Walgreens booklet, you guys would get these for 75 cents or 87 cents. So that could be a pretty decent deal. I've been always wanted to try my brows a little bit different because I used to use a pencil, but I thought maybe using something different. A lot of you guys said I should darken it since I darkened my hair, maybe having darker eyebrows. So had to go round with that. I ended up getting this L'Oreal Infallible Paints. It's an eyeshadow. Now, please check your store and make sure they're all sealed because my store, there's a ton of them open and I like to have the makeup sealed. So these were on clearance for $4.79. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So $4.79 and $2.39. You guys want to use two $1 off coupons. You guys would just pay $5.18 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta for just one of them, making the final price for both of these just $3.18. I wouldn't say that's the greatest deal, but if you guys really want to hit level 4 with Ibotta this month, I definitely go with it. I finished level 4 today, so I ended up getting a $2 bonus for all that stuff. But definitely do that deal if you guys can do that deal. And that is a limit 1 on the Ibotta app. So I ended up also getting this Rimmel eyeshadow, the Magnify Eyes Nude Edition. I really like something like this, and I kind of been wearing a lot of nude colors. So this was $5.09. I used that $3 off coupon that we got from coupons.com. I also want to say thank you, Max, for sending me those coupons. That was awesome. And then I also used a $2 off coupon from the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for 9 cents. 9 cents. That is awesome eyeshadow. So we got that. And then I also got the Rimmel, and it looks like it's a highlight, a contour, and a blush. I thought that was kind of cute. I've been kind of wanting to use this a little bit lately, and this, it doesn't look like it's sealed. I don't know if all their makeup's just not sealed, but nobody's ever touched it. I know I smell makeup, but it always smells the same. So this was $4.67. You guys want to use the $2 off coupon from the Walgreens booklet. Plus, I used a $1 off coupon that we got from our inserts a while back ago. You guys would just get this for $1.67, which could be an okay deal. This is something I kind of want to try, so I had to go along and get that deal. I forgot to mention that the All actually had a $1 rebate on Savings Star, so this ends up becoming free if you guys buy 2 of them. They also have the pods where they're $1.99, and then you guys get $2 back on Savings Star too, so that comes out to be a $1 money maker. So definitely check those deals out if you guys can. You can't pass up free All. Like, that's one thing I don't have a lot in my stockpile is All, and I'm sorry I haven't showed you guys a stockpile video. My stockpile is like a mess. I mostly put everything in boxes and I have them stacked up, and all the boxes are labeled what's in every single box. I need to get rid of pretty much everything in my stockpile and start fresh again, so I'm hoping to do that this spring. So, and I will let you guys know on that. I'm thinking of having like a little rummage sale just because I have so much and I can't just donate all of it because it's too much to donate. So I'm just gonna see if I can put some extra bucks in my pocket, you know, get my money that I paid for with, you know, driving all over the place. You know, I do pay out of pocket for that. So my total came to $14.27. Some of you guys do ask what I actually pay. Now, I ended up using $10 worth of points, so I paid, you know, $4.27 for all that stuff. Now, that does not include the employee discount. So if you guys did the same deals as I did, you guys would pay that price. I ended up getting $1 back for registry reward for the Mitchum deodorant. I got $2 back with Ibotta, and then I got $1 back with Saving Star. That comes up to be just $10.27. And then I got I got 13 items, which comes up to be just 79 cents a piece. So I wouldn't say this is the greatest haul, but I wanted to show you guys some deals so you kind of get into it. I don't know how this came to like 10 bucks. I mean, I felt like I kind of got screwed there because like a lot of this stuff was like a couple dollars. But if you think about it, if everything's like under $1 and I got 13 items, it kind of does add up. But please be prepared to see another haul for me, you guys. I'm going to hopefully can get some more all. I'm going to stop at a different Walgreens later tonight. I'm going to go see a movie with one of my friends. And so I thought maybe I can stop there and get some again. So just wanted to let you guys know on that. But you guys know the drill. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys all on Tuesday for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.